adapting to customer and market needs is at the heart of portfolio management. The only thing is, for agile portfolio management, we expect it to be faster, so we need to integrate it into our rhythm. So that means that we put the validation at the heart of portfolio management. What you often see in traditional portfolio management, that we first execute, create all the outputs that were in the plans, and when everything is done, we go into the market, and that's where we validate. And if there is a strong causal relation, that's fine. You will actually see the expected benefits, the expected value being delivered. But the more uncertainty comes into the equation, the less certainty you have that the actual results will come, that the value is being created. Which means that the validation will play a central role. So the validation will play a role in your PIs, but also the validation will already play a role into your sprints. You could actually say that anything you do in your sprint is an experiment to validate. And of course, validation, you do it based on impact, based on value. So it's all about establishing feedback loops, not just within the teams and within the sprints, but you want to have the feedback loop from the sprints and from the teams into your portfolio management, so that you early on are getting information about the validity or the invalidity of your assumptions. And if you see the data don't match your expectations, then you can act. So the changing needs and the changes in market conditions will be fed from the actual delivery and the actual data from your teams as validation information, feed it into your portfolio management, and you can adapt if you want. It's not obliged to really adapt, but you want to have the information to see whether you execute your strategy as planned or you need to adapt. And that's all what Agile portfolio management is about.